Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Have you ever thought about where your next vacation spot should be? Let me tell you why Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland, should be at the top of your list. First up, the stunning scenery. Edinburgh is a city that truly has it all, from the majestic Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano, to the tranquil waters of the Firth of Forth. Imagine hiking up to Arthur's Seat and soaking in a panoramic view of the city. It's a sight you won't forget. Now let's talk about the history. Edinburgh Castle, perched high on Castle Rock, dominates the skyline. This fortress has witnessed centuries of history and offers a journey back in time. Standing there, you can almost hear the echoes of battles fought and royalty that once walked through its halls. And don't miss the Royal Mile, the historic street that stretches from the castle to the Palace of Holyrood House. Lined with charming shops, pubs and historical landmarks, it's a perfect place to explore. You might even stumble upon a bagpiper playing traditional Scottish tunes. Edinburgh is also a city of festivals. The Edinburgh International Festival and the famous Fringe Festival transformed the city into a vibrant celebration of arts and culture. Imagine streets buzzing with performers, artists and visitors from all over the world. It's an experience like no other. For those who love a bit of mystery, Edinburgh's winding streets and hidden closes are packed with stories. The old town's cobblestone alleys are filled with tales of ghosts and legends. A guided ghost tour can be a thrilling way to explore this side of the city. Foodies, you're in luck. Edinburgh is home to a diverse culinary scene. From traditional Scottish dishes like haggis to international cuisine, there's something to satisfy every palate. Be sure to visit one of the cozy cafes or upscale restaurants for a taste of local flavours. Let's not forget about the green spaces. The Prince's Street Gardens offer a peaceful retreat right in the heart of the city. It's a perfect spot for a picnic or a leisurely stroll with stunning views of the castle as your backdrop. Edinburgh isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone who enjoys vibrant city life, this city has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and make Edinburgh your next vacation spot. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration.